let's take a look at some IDE tooling I've developed for the LabVIEW Project Explorer. You can find it here on GitHub at Negentropic Dev, Negentropic IDE. I'm going to go ahead and clone this. For now, this is only available for LabVIEW 2020. If you have LabVIEW 2020, this is how you can install it before I create VI packages. And hopefully once I create VI packages, I'll be able to get it working for multiple versions. So I've got the clone address copied from GitHub, and I'm here in Program Files x86, National Instruments, LabVIEW 2020, Resource, Framework, Providers. I've got TortoiseGit, so I'm going to do a clone right from the Explorer window. Now to get LabVIEW to see this, I have to copy this INI file out of here and put it in the G Providers folder. Now I can start up LabVIEW and it should load it. I'm going to open up this empty project I have here. We'll create a new class to see what this functionality is. I'm going to call it A just for simplicity's sake. It's currently empty, but I can go ahead down to this Negentropic menu, scaffold, and default, and boom, there's the common folder layout that I typically use with my development. The other neat thing this can do is you can save your own custom folder layouts for a class. So we'll create another class called B. We're going to put some virtual folders in it. We'll make a handlers folder. We'll set that to protected scope. Create a private folder, and I think you know what scope we'll be setting that one to. And we'll create an empty folder called properties, and we will not set its scope. So I can right click on this new B class and then go to scaffold and save as. I'm going to give it a name of test because why not? Now if I create a third class, bet you didn't know I was going to name it C. I can right click on it, and now I've got my test folder layout saved there, and now I can quickly create as many classes as I need that match this layout. This works by saving INI files into the My Documents, LabVIEW Data, Negentropic, Scaffold folders, and then there'll be a list of INI files here that correspond to the entries that are in this scaffold list. If we open one of those up, pretty simple. You've got a path as the section name, so you can do nested folders this way. You don't have to worry about ordering of the items in the INI file. It will put all of the root folders first and then all of the nested folders later. And then these strings correspond to the enumeration in the Project Provider Framework API. So the easiest way to get this set up correctly is to use that save as functionality right from the project. If we take a look at this other one I created, so this is the name that shows up in the list. Most of the time it'll match the file name, but if you enter any characters that aren't suitable for a file name, they will be different. So yeah, if you've got LabVIEW 2020, you're in the beta right now, feel free to head on over to GitHub and take a look at this, let me know what you think. And hopefully pretty soon I'll figure out how to get this set up for older LabVIEW versions.